Here very many styles are here. Here's the boiler is cutting finally suddenly. Big coconut like a betel nut tree. Hello guys, welcome to my Tulmul English YouTube channel. So guys, in the next video I have told that today is Sunday, so we'll take today food challenge video. So guys, we can't do that food challenge video, so guys, sorry for that. So today finally we will go for out to buy a chicken leg piece and also cut my hair. So guys, my hair is also becoming too long, that's why today finally have to cut and finally we'll go for out to buy a chicken leg piece and also cut my hair. So guys, don't skip the video, watch up to till end. Okay, bye, let's go. So guys, suddenly have to put some sanitizer. Sanitizer is the very important thing. So guys, don't miss these things to use. Okay guys. Yeah. So guys, finally we are going for out. So guys, in a way, what have, what not have, what I will find here. So guys, everything I will show you. Just you watch up to till end this video. Okay guys, now you can see the way. Wow. So guys, you can see these two are my friends. This boy. Hey, look back. Here's the very beautiful place. You can see coconut, big coconut like a betel nut tree. In evening, we always used to roam here. Here is the very nice parking place. So guys, we used to roam here in every evening. So guys, finally today I am showing you how the place is like a very beautiful, necessary. There are sort of very many small buildings are there. One beautiful car is running from there. Wow, what a beautiful car, like a pretty girl. And these two are both of my friends. His name is Akash and his name is Ajoy Devgan. So guys, we have to turn this way. And this is the place where I used to live at Sininali village. So guys, from there where I live, from there we are going to buy some chicken leg piece and also cut my hair. That's why we are going this side away. And guys, you know one thing, here's the land are very red, not like our Assam land. From here land is very colorful, like a orange. So this roadway is digging down like a Himalaya mountain place. Here is the mountain area, that's why like this happening, I think so. So guys, you can see this, today is not very cloudy, today is very sunny happening. That's why we are very difficult to going there, giving us very problem. In my video always sky is cloudy happen, but today it's suddenly happening sunny. So guys, this is the place from far away I have showing in this video. So finally I have reached here. So from near looking like this. So this is not a big building, this is a small building. Okay guys, you can see here's the very big tree, very beautiful. Have to enjoyment in the down under the tree. Oh, very beautiful house, my dream house. This house all are looking like my dream house. That's why I really love this place. So guys, today is Sunday, that's why no more vehicles are running here. Hey guys, this is the beautiful building. Guys, this place is Bangalore Sininali village. So here's very nice to live here. Every people are very nice. Here's the people are human beings, not animals. Otherwise in other states, the people are like wild in Chennai. But here's the Bangalore place. Here's the people are very nice. I really love here to live. Now guys, finally coming to near. Now no more to go long distance way. People are working for road. Here's the big elephant. Guys, finally we have reached the place. There, my friend is buying a chicken leg piece, cutting the chicken leg piece here. Guys, here's the boiler is cutting finally, suddenly. So guys, you can see people are working for road. Guys, very beautiful place, you can see. Here's the boiler chicken. Now guys, finally we have bought a chicken leg piece. Now guys, finally I'm coming for cut my hair. So guys, I'm thinking how I have to cut my hair style. So guys, you can see here's the barber. Here very many styles are here. So guys, I will cut what types of style? I will cut these types of style. I really like this style. So guys, you can see. So guys, one man is cutting hair. That's why I have to wait. I'm waiting to cut my hair. So guys, finally it's my turn to cut the hair. So guys, you can see. Guys, finally cut is completed. So guys, now I have to pay the money. So guys, finally completed cutting my hair. So guys, how you look it? Am I looking handsome? And we have bought this meat, chicken meat, and also some chili, something garlic. Guys, still we are going on way to the room. And guys, you can see this college, Jana Seva Info College Residential for Boys. Here's the place, you can see guys. Wow, very big building. This is the oil depot near from us. Now still we are going on road way. Oh, here also big elephant is working. Now guys, finally we have came to our road gate. Still we are going. Hello guys, finally we have came to our room. So excuse me. So guys, this is the place where I do live. I will show you. So guys, you can see this is the place where I used to live. So this is the building that on the top our room is there. Oh god, very dark. Oh, now I have to switch on the light. Yeah. So guys, finally I have came to my room. After this I had to take bath, and in the next video I will make Photoshop video, will how to make post for voice. I will just try to do that. So guys, please keep subscribe this channel. So guys, okay, bye bye, keep up to end of this video, okay.